All right, here we are leaving Refugio Elisabetta and heading to, where are we heading to, Sarah?
Les Chapieux.
Les Chapieux. We're gonna head down that way and out the valley. All right, we're finally coming up out of the valley. We're only about a mile in right now. And the snow's not as bad here. This is actually the biggest patch we've encountered. It's not too bad. We're still on the ascent. We've got to head up that way now. Put our crampons on for this. So we got a steep ascent through snow. We've made it up past the cabin, all the way from the valley down there. Still going. All right, we made it to Col de la Seine. This is the highest we've been so far. We've just come up from the valley. We're at just over 8,200 feet elevation. Okay, we're making our descent finally. We have a long way down. It's a beautiful view. Still on our way down. Not much snow anymore. We're heading down into the valley there. We're now on to the switchbacks, getting closer to the valley floor. Just come down the switchbacks. We're just about to the bottom. That's La Motte's there. And then we're going to continue to make our way now down the valley. Just arrived in Les Chapieux. I could use some shampoo right about now. All right, we've arrived here at our place, the Chambre de Soleil.